What's up, guys? Welcome to CJ's first cooking show. It's a good show. Would you say it's a good show?
You would.
I would.
Yeah, I think it's a great cooking show. So
here's the thing with this show, okay? So, I would like to think I'm a fairly typical dad who likes good food. I cook for the family. I'm not a chef, though. I'm not Nate, where I elevate everything with some random stuff that he says that I'm not even sure are real words. But I'm such an average dad that I won't check on it. I'm just gonna trust him. Then there's Betty, and she is like the marinara queen. Oh, marinade.
Oh my gosh. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Find my phone!
And she's got history with food and her family, and then Todd like goes out and kills his own food.
Finally, I started hearing bugling around.
Cow elk down. Oh my goodness.
It's true, he does.
I don't do that.
Full.
I do not. My freezer is full of stuff like this.
Those are great.
They are great. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make my original recipe. This is, actually it was named by John Adams.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We made this and somebody gave us the name for it because I didn't have a name. It's called the Frito Bandito. It's essentially a really delicious smash burger with a couple fun elements, and the main one being chili cheese Fritos. So shall we dive right in?
Dive.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
First things first, before we get started on our hamburger patties or anything.
What are we cooking on today, CJ Frazier?
Oh. I'm glad you asked. Yeah, you're right here, Pat. We have the all-new Blackstone Airfryer. This thing is a boss. It's a champ. Everybody wants it. They're hard to find right now because...
Not for long, though.
Everybody is buying them. They're incredible. What did you say?
Nothing.
Oh, good. So before we get started on the other food,
show me those real quick, because I love these.
Yeah, these are amazing.
You know, I've made, like, hand-cut, like I've done it myself, got the fresh potatoes. These are really, really close.
These are, let me just be real. These are great, but your French fries are way better.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I appreciate that.
So we've got this, the air fryer actually preheated. We're just at a medium. And these are gonna take probably 7 to 8 minutes. And this recipe shouldn't take much longer than that. So we're gonna get started with this first before we get to our other ingredients.
Are those French fries?
Those French fries.
Dude, you don't know what movie that's from?
French fries.
The French fries?
Hang on, I'll give it to you again. French dressing.
French dressing.
You got me.
Okay.
This doesn't happen often. I assume that we should, whoa.
Beauty. Does it look good?
Spread it out a little bit. Okay. We're just gonna set it and forget it. Okay. So, my mom, I was telling her about this recipe, and she's like, oh, that sounds like a delicious burger, CJ. You need to put onions on there. And so I said, well, Mom, you're the greatest lady in the entire world. I'm gonna do what you ask. So I am going to caramelize and hopefully crisp up just a little bit, like not like an onion ring, but just kind of where that it starts to caramelize and get that crispy edge, and it gets soft and it starts to get sweet. These are sweet onions, yellow persuasion.
I love those sweet onions. I feel like it's a more dynamic flavor,
yeah.
Especially when you start to cook them, because the flavor really does start to change.
And I don't want these to be too thick because I want them to cook fairly quick. And you're gonna see when I put them on, you kind of just pile them on. And, oh man, that's not a very straight line.
Oh.
But it's a good thing I'm just an average dad. Hey dude, so tell me this, because every time I start cooking these, or start actually cutting these in the house, my wife starts crying.
Yeah.
What's up with that? Tell me why, because I actually have zero idea what's going on with
it's
that.
just an enzyme in the onion that actually becomes a gas as you cut it. Typically, it's an unsharp knife that presses it out of the flesh of the onion, creating the gas that gets in your eyes. It mixes with your tears and kind of creates a bit of a chemical reaction. Kind of like capsaicin and peppers mixes with your saliva and creates friction that feels like heat. Why are you looking at me like that?
Nerd alert! That
Too
sounds
nerdy?
like...
Too nerdy?
Yes, dude!
Well, you asked.
All right, here we go. Let's go over to the griddle. I'm gonna throw a little bit of olive oil down because I was about to fall asleep because
You're such a joke. Don't ask questions you don't want the answers to.
that was the most ridiculous thing I have ever. It sounded like you were making it up, and to be quite honest, you could have been.
It sounded good though.
You made all that crap up, didn't you?
No.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take our onions, and we are gonna go right down.
Oh, beauty.
And so these are gonna just actually get a lot. What would you call it in the reduction?
Oh, caramelization.
Caramelization, but they like shrink.
Sugars come out, yeah.
Yeah, so they. Oh, dude, that's my favorite part about onions.
Smells
as soon as
so
it
good.
hits, you start to smell it. So I'm actually gonna add a little bit of my favorite Blackstone seasoning, Steakhouse. So we're gonna use this on the burger, and we're gonna use it on the onions because I love this stuff, like on an obsession level. So
Yeah,
we're just gonna...
for those of you at home, he actually just eats it like by itself.
Yeah, I totally do. So let's get both of these. Let's make sure we get that.
Man, that smells good too.
Oh, I know, dude. That's so good. So
How
now
long do you
this
cook
is.
these for?
We're gonna cook. I don't have an exact time. We're gonna cook them until they get crispy. I don't imagine it's gonna take more than 5-ish
Those
minutes.
French fries only take 7-8 minutes tops.
Yeah. So we're essentially. I just want to get these crispy. I don't want to turn them to mush. I still want them to have some like life and some body to them. So we'll let those kind of take care of themselves as we head this way.
Are we gonna talk about Fritos? We gonna talk about Fritos?
Not yet.
Oh, sorry.
Why don't you just tell them how the end of the movie is, guy? Tell them what happens.
Johnny kills.
Tell them what happens in Empire Strikes Back. That's impossible!
That's my favorite Star Trek scene.
Dude, you messed with me there. That was
Yeah.
good. You got me.
Thank you.
You got me. So we're gonna take this this meat. Is this 80-20?
It is.
80-20? I didn't see because you purchased my groceries for me today.
You know why?
Because
We're friends.
Because we're friends.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup.
So we're gonna take some of these. The key to a good smash burger is we're not packing the meat tightly. It's just a loosely packed ball of meat. So that way, once we put it on the griddle, it will smash real nice and it'll start to get juicy and awesome and crispy. And I'm gonna actually preheated, or I did a preheat. What would be the correct vernacular?
Preheated.
Well, preheated.
Pre-hot.
The griddle, our Blackstone, to about medium high, because we want these to start screaming once they hit that black top. And that's where we're going to lock in the juices. We're gonna get all that delicious flavor. So Nate, shall we head over?
Frito Bandito.
Frito Bandito. So we are going to throw this guy down right there.
Oh, beauty.
We're going to throw that one there. What do you say we put that one right there?
I like it.
Okay, good. I like it as well.
That's beauty. Your onions are looking good. They smell amazing.
I know, they smell awesome. So, if you're not going to be doing onions on top of your smash burger, there's actually a trick.
Whoa. I like this trick. This is a good one, and we haven't put it in a video yet.
Well, how about I show you?
Yeah.
Because I'm a pro. Welcome to CJ's first cooking show. Did you guys know that's actually Nate and I singing? We wrote the jingle.
Yeah, we actually did.
And we performed the
Do you
jingle.
want to show a video of that, of us sitting?
Oh yeah, let's do that. Cut to that footage. So here's the fun trick. If you're gonna smash it, if you just use it's not hot, it doesn't have oil on it, when you smash it, it's gonna most likely stick to it. Hopefully, I've got this hot enough, and I used a bit of olive oil that when I smash it, it is, oh
no, Steve. Oh, What's the trick to fix that?
well, the trick to fix that is,
Yep. Back on top.
I'm gonna do one of those guys.
Yep.
Because here's the thing.
Give it some motion.
Here's the thing. We are actually,
That's pretty good, actually.
we're gonna, I don't know that one is.
You know what? Do the next one. Go quick. You gotta smash quick. Quick and hard. Go quick. Lift it. Give it a rock. Give it a roll. Out to the end. Yeah!
There we
Hey,
are.
man, I wanted to close up on that. It was good.
Oh, and then we're pretending like I
Yeah.
just did it again.
That
Totally
was good.
faked that one.
You know, that happens occasionally, but that's okay because this, let me see this one right here. There is nothing wrong with that.
No,
that
and-
is gonna get crispy and gorgeous.
We're gonna hold it together with some cheese and some Fritos
yeah,
and some
cheese
awesomeness.
glue, as Desiree calls it.
Yeah. Hey, so come to the onions, have a look at these. So see how they're starting to caramelize and get crispy?
Oh yeah.
Right there on the edges? That's where the magic is at. We don't need a ton of these because our burgers are actually gonna be pretty small. So I'm gonna add some Blackstone seasoning.
Oh, lovely. Man, that stuff smells so crazy good.
And whiskey burger is great on these as well, but dude, I'm just telling you, my name is CJ.
I approve this message.
And I approve this message. I'm also addicted to this stuff. It's so good. All right, so
Fritos?
Fritos.
Yeah.
Moving on to the
Here we
gold. All right, so here's what we're gonna do here. This is where it gets fun. Chili cheese Fritos. Go ahead, Nate.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I know your body.
I know your body. Chili cheese Fritos happen to be one of the most underrated, highly delicious chips on the market.
Not in my house.
These are not underrated in my home. We burn through these like crazy. Gotta get that air out. So we're just gonna pour some of these in a bag and we're gonna crush them. Now, I don't wanna turn these into powder, so we're just gonna basically get them a little more pliable, right?
Nice and crispity for the
Crispity.
burger.
Yep.
Where are these going, CJ?
They're gonna go on the burger.
Oh,
They're gonna
they're
go on the
gonna
burger! It's gonna be awesome. So see how I just kind of broke those up, but it's not powder. I mean, we don't want dust. So, all right, let's see if we can flip our burger over here.
Oh, flip it. Beauty. Look at that crush. That's the magic, ladies and gentlemen.
Go right over here. Ready and
Now,
flip.
be a little ginger with this one, but you can still make it happen.
Oh, we're gonna get there.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Look at that.
Yeah.
That was the best crust.
Beautiful.
That was the. Oh man, I kind of called dibs on that one. What
Okay.
I'm gonna do? Here's what I'm gonna do. On that one, I'm actually gonna put extra Fritos, kind of to fill in the gaps.
Like it. I like it.
That one's mine. Totally mine. So we've got our burger cruising over there. We are about to get onto our toppings.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this is the thing.
There's nothing wrong with American cheese. We talked about this a lot. It is.
Haters who hate American cheese, they're liars. Because everybody loves a good grilled cheese. They're
If
liars.
you're watching right now and that's you, leave
You're
a
a
comment
friggin' liar.
below.
You are a liar. Yep. You're a liar. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna throw some onions, first off, on top of my patties.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's go ahead and designate some real estate for these
Oh, beautiful.
delicious caramelized onions. Now, I didn't make a ton because we just were wanting to be frugal and prudent, if you will. I'm just kidding. I just didn't slice up a ton because no other reason. I just didn't.
So we've got crispy beef, sweet caramelized onions, crunchity.
Look, if you say that you don't like American cheese, you're not allowed to eat a Frito Bandito.
There you go.
You're a liar.
No.
All right. So here's where we're gonna go now.
Oh man. Oh, you're
Oh,
not being
yeah.
not being shy.
No. Because we're gonna add some sauce and some cheese.
What kind of sauce were you adding?
Add some barbecue sauce
If you can.
because I can
And
and I
you
will.
should.
Because this is my burger. And this is gonna be the honey in the barrel. I don't know why I said that.
Oh,
Whoa.
hey, take it easy there,
Okay.
barbecue
okay.
guy.
Nate, is this the extra thick American cheese?
Oh, you know it, buddy.
I do know it. So we're gonna steam that up, set it down,
Oh.
and
Diggity
then
bang.
we're gonna check on our French fries because I
Oh.
don't want to burn them.
Well, and we're back. Oh, I think they're.
dude.
Are they done? Close? Where's that steakhouse seasoning?
Yeah.
You know you got it.
Oh, I know. Let me see. Oh, they're perfect. They're perfect.
Here, I got it for you, guy.
Thanks, buddy. So here's what we're gonna do with this. Actually, before I season this, I'm gonna we're gonna serve this up. Oh, what is this wood? Koa?
It is koa wood.
Koa wood. We're gonna serve these up on, where's my
tongs.
Where'd my tongs go? Forgot the look, you see?
Let the big dog eat!
Oh man, those look fantastic.
We're gonna season with my favorite seasoning. Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Bro, I bet you our burgers are looking legendary.
Yeah, where are our buns?
Shall
What are we
we?
using today? These are Wonder's new honey buns. They are phenomenal.
Yeah.
I love these things.
And you could toast these if you like. I don't know what it is. Sometimes I like them toasted, sometimes I don't. I couldn't tell you why. Can you tell me why?
I don't know what's in your head, buddy.
Oh.
My goodness.
I didn't plan this, but do you see all that cheese that has the chili cheese seasoning?
Skirt. Come on, man.
Oh, dude.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Would you please? So we're gonna top this off with
touch more of the
more
BBQ.
sauce. I don't like the spout. It's not very elegant.
Maybe it's just your technique.
Maybe. You're right. I don't have a comeback for that one.
Cut it.
And then we are gonna top that off.
Whoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you the Frito Bandito. Here we go. It's actually, ooh, that's an
Dude,
okay.
that skirt is nutty. That crunch, I can.
Did you hear it?
I did.
All right, oh jeez.
Fritos, chili cheese Fritos, barbecue sauce, American cheese, sweet onions. Come on.
It just might be the perfect combination. Almost too easy.
It's almost too easy.
The crunch! I heard it.
It's the perfect burger. The sweet onions and the tangy sauce is really good with that chili cheese Frito, man.
It's a fun one. Who called it the Frito Bandito?
John Adams.
Yeah. Way to go, John.
John,
Way to go.
he pitches. Out of the park, John. Guys, this is super good. Really fun, simple. Frozen French fries. Oh, let us.
Oh, we didn't even get in the French fries. They look phenomenal.
Oh man, that seasoning.
Oh, double dibs.
Guys, for this recipe and more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. We got some really fun stuff up there. I got some great cocktails. We have more videos coming. Betty's got gold, Todd's got gold, Nate's is average. This is fantastic. This is CJ's first cooking show. That's how we do it, man. I'm just a dad in a world who loves chili cheese Fritos and loves Banditos. So, till next time, cheers.
Cheers.
See you in the next one, right?
Maybe.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the cheese skirt. The cheese skirt. It's a cheese skirt.